Alright guys, the issue with this machine today is that as I'm matching it now, the head wheel is only rotating, but the needle bar is not moving, just the head wheel. So in case you're also having the same issue, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the issue is coming from here, this place now. So we are going to take it off, going to lose it out, just rotate it. So if you are losing it and it's not losing, so you use your hand to hold this take up lever now. Use one hand hold it, then you twist it, try twisting it if it will loose. But if it still did not loose, then you have to chisel it. You have to bring a chisel, then hit it this way. See this, the way I'm hitting it. Yes, hit it from here. Don't hit it the opposite side. That other side is to tight. Why this other way I'm doing it now is to loose. So it has gone off. See, now there is something that is supposed to be here. Call it the head washer. That thing is supposed to be here before you put the head nut. So this is it. This is what I'm talking about. So this thing now is missing in the head of this machine. That's why it could not be able to tight very well. So just go to the market, buy it, then you replace it, put it here, then before putting this one. So you just turn the machine like this, so this washer can be able to stay before tightening the nuts. Okay, then you put this one, then tight it. Just tight it with your hand, then you fix it back into the machine. Once you tight it with your hand, fix it back. Now after tightening it with your hand, you still need the chisel to make sure it tights very well. Now you're going to face it this other way and hit it. This way is for tightening. Sure you hit it very well, but don't hit it too much so it won't worn out. As you can see, it's now tight. If you look there, you see that the needle bar is also moving. Let me connect my rope, and so that I can match it very well. Okay, as you can see, it's moving now. Everything now is now moving, not just the head wheel. The needle bar is also moving too.